Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the Wolf Gourmet Elite Digital Countertop Convection Toaster Oven with Temperature Probe, a sleek stainless steel appliance accented with striking red knobs that brings the power of a full-size Wolf oven right to your countertop. This compact marvel boasts advanced convection technology, ensuring even roasting and baking with no hot spots by continuously circulating heated air throughout. With 7 versatile cooking modes, including bake, roast, broil, warm, proof, bagel, and toast, you'll have precise control for consistent and predictable culinary results every time. The Precision Temperature Probe is a standout feature, allowing you to cook meats to your exact preferred internal temperature for perfectly tender outcomes. Designed for energy efficiency without compromising performance, this countertop oven also includes interior lighting for easy monitoring of your dishes as they cook. Plus, with a 5-year limited warranty, Wolf Gourmet stands by the quality and durability of their product, ensuring it remains free from defects in materials or workmanship. Elevate your cooking experience with the Wolf Gourmet Elite, where professional-grade performance meets the convenience of countertop cooking.